How much do pivots go for now?
Too much.
Come
You know,
on.
it's been a while since we've bought a new one, but if you were to buy a new system, you'd be over 40.
Okay.
So,
And that's just a circular one,
Correct,
right?
correct.
Without the corners.
yeah, if you go to the corner systems, you're 50, 55. Yeah.
Are pivots worth it? Are they a good investment?
Yes.
Why?
The efficiencies of the water. I mean, we have two issues we're really battling there. First is the fact that the timing of the event when you want to irrigate. Gravity irrigation takes a lot of time to complete the same amount of work that you get with a pivot. And then also the groundwater concerns. I don't think there's a farmer out there that doesn't want to be efficient in their use of water, and pivots are a lot more efficient than gravity irrigation.
And efficient, what does that mean in that context?
Very little runoff. Like I say, the timeliness. If you would happen to catch a rain, you can apply what you need for the week, or just kind of stay ahead of the crop. And if you see a rain coming, you don't have to. You can shut the pivot off. Whereas with gravity irrigation, a lot of times you just can't. You don't have the luxury of shutting it down to see if it's going to rain.
How did anybody make it on dry land before?
Well, everybody was in the same boat, so it was until the first person put in the irrigation well, and everybody was on the same playing field. So it was probably a struggle at times. I would still say that dryland acres are some of the more profitable acres on certain years than irrigated. There were several years when I first started farming that we would pull 130 to 50 bushel dryland and 170 bushel irrigated. Well, that doesn't take a lot of math to know that the dryland was a pretty good buy that year.
Because
of the fact you didn't have the investment, the capital expenditures into the pivots, and then the irrigation expense.
right.
We've had the last 4 or 5 years have been in the early 2000s have been a little drier, and the pivots have definitely been a good investment.
Okay, because they give you that much more yield.
They give you the luxury of kind of guaranteeing a certain baseline.